Hey, what's going on? Um, I don't know, you probably didn't notice, but I changed the name of our YouTube channel from Empowering DIY to Empowering Life. Been thinking a lot about it lately. As much as I love DIY projects, I love trying to explain stuff the way I understand it and help people. Um, there's 1,000 other people or 100,000 people on YouTube, I don't know, doing DIY projects. Um, I love it. Like I said, I have way more subscribers than I ever deserve. I did get to the point where I can actually make something out of YouTube, which is minimal. I think I've made $100 so far, maybe a little bit more, which is great. So that all that is because of you, the subscribers. But now it's time to focus on something different. I realized that I still can do DIY projects as they come up. If I work on stuff, sure, I'll throw it on YouTube, but I'm not going to focus on that. It's time to focus on life. Life is too short to worry about um, one little subject in this whole world. But I did notice, obviously, stuff that's more exciting. Anything with a motor is going to be more exciting, right? Well, I posted a video of Clayton on his bike for the first time, and it's got thousands of views. I think well over 10,000 views. Nothing else has ever hit that many views except a couple of my plumbing videos. For some reason, they hit the algorithm right, and I had 50, 60,000 views on those videos, but it is what it is. Normal DIY projects, I have 60 or 70 views if I'm lucky. So I want my son to be able to race dirt bikes. I need y'all's help by, first of all, watching the content. So what do I got to do? I got to make it more interesting. So I guess it's time to start doing what I get views off of, right? So Clayton is excited about it. He has his own YouTube channel as well. We're going to try to build it up, but we're going to try to do it together. His videos, or his YouTube channel is Clayton's Adventures. And of course, this one you're watching, Empowering Life. So basically, this video is just telling you that yes, we're moving to a different lifestyle, I guess, for the YouTube stuff. We'll show you a lot more dirt bike stuff, and hopefully, I'm still, like I said, I want to do DIY stuff as I can, but this is what we get views on. So if I want to be able to help support him riding dirt bikes, I need to figure out a way to do that financially. So all of that long old jibber jabber, please hit the subscribe button below. Please get involved, ask questions and comments, anything. Try to keep the hate down. That's kind of hurtful, but we do ignore it. Everybody's got negative comments about everything, but who cares? But besides that, get in the comments, tell us anything you want. Tell us what you want to see, and we'll try to do it. But for now on, really just going to start vlogging, I guess you'd say. Do a little bit more vlogging of him progressing. He's super beginner right now, just learning how to ride, just learning how to get comfortable. The Honda, he rips. Man, he'll tear that thing around the yard, but he gets on that 85, and I think the sound and the torque of that two-stroke really gets to him. So, he's getting used to it. He's getting better. We're going to the track tomorrow. We're going to practice again. Put a new tire back on. We had the wrong tire for the tracks around here, so we put a new back tire, and we're just going to go ride. So I'm going to post this video unedited, whatever. I'm just posting it tonight, just telling you kind of the change of what our YouTube channel is going to be. And the next video that I'm going to post is actually from 2 weeks ago, is the first time we went to a dirt bike track. So I've been wanting to kind of explain why you're starting to see that stuff now instead of DIY stuff. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you stick around with us. And if you are not a subscriber, please hit subscribe. All it can do is help us, and it doesn't hurt you, doesn't cost you a dime. So y'all stick along with us and watch us learn, watch us make mistakes, and enjoy. Y'all have a great night. Have a good weekend.